Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So right now I am on the crude oil's daily time frame chart, and as you can see recently the price of crude has dumped all the way down till $91. Why this dump happened? Well, first of all, if you already know, last week Thursday, Friday, US president made a tweet that he will be, his tweet was in a way that he will be ending a whole civilization in Iran and a lot of very direct threats to Iran. So many of the retailers, every single person in the whole world thought that either it will be a nuclear attack on Iran or it will be a very bad attack, if not a nuclear attack on Iran. So everyone bought crude oil, everyone bought gold and silver, but obviously retailers are the only one that will get trapped every single time, and it's just so obvious that it's just a matter of a small critical thinking that why the president of US will make a tweet and will give time 3 to 4 days rather than doing it just like that, or rather than informing this directly to Iran rather than announcing it publicly on the internet and to the whole world. And it was obvious because the top 1% people knew that the retailers will buy in FOMO, in greediness, and that will be the best time to mass sell their positions, and because there will be a lot of liquidity and retailers will be ending up as being exit liquidity. So exactly that thing happened. Most of the retailers bought over here in these three candles, I hope you can see, and after that the top people, they got plethora of liquidity to exit their positions, to sell their ETFs and other financial instruments on crude oil, gold, silver, etc. And once this whole dump started, then we saw a chain reaction towards the downside. Why? Because nothing happened. No nuclear attack happened, no war happened. It was just so obvious that a ceasefire happened and just some talks happened between America and Iran, and that's why we saw a dump in the price. And it is common sense that to predict this whole move. So as of now, the price of crude oil is at $98. I'm still expecting a major dump towards the downside once this whole war is gets over. Why? Because there is a gap over here, as you can see, which is yet to be filled at $68, and still the price of crude oil and Brent crude oil and US oil is way overbought right now. What do you guys think? Comment down below.